Ashok and Sandeep invested 18,000 each. So his investment is 18,000, other investment is also 18,000. In buying shares of two different companies, Ashok buys 7.5% dividend rate at 100 rupees share at a discount of 20%. Fine. So market price is 20% less than the face value there in it. Whereas Sandeep buys 50 rupees share at a premium of 20%. Is higher rate. If both receives equal dividend at the end of the year, find the rate of dividend received by Sandeep here. So let's write down the details in both. Left let be Ashok and the right one will be Sandeep in it. See, first column is for Ashok. The nominal value is 100 rupees for the share. Investment he has done is 18,000, and the market value we have to calculate here because is being sold at 20% discount, and the dividend rate is 7.5%. The other one, Sandeep, has got investment same 18,000, and market value we have to calculate because it's saying at a premium of 20%. So, and the nominal value is 50 rupees. Discount percent we have to find in this question here. So first let's calculate the there is a market value. So it's saying the first one is at a discount of 20%, means whatever the price now is a discount 20. So the market value here will be, market value is equal to nominal value minus discount. And what is the nominal value? 100 minus, what is the discount? 20%, not 100 rupees they have given you percent. So convert the percentage in rupees. So this will be 20%, means 20% of 100 only. We have to subtract it. And when I do that, what do we get? 20 rupees only. So that will become rupees 80. So what is the nominal value, market value? Rupees 80 here. Okay. Now we got this. Similar way we have to calculate this here also. So what is that? They have given you the this is at a premium of 20%. So which means that is market value here will be, I can write it here. Market value will be equal to, that is nominal value plus premium plus the premium amount, right? You can say premium. So nominal value is how much? 50, right? Plus how much? 20% off, 20% plus. So 20% of 50. So if we do that, it becomes 10. Here, and 50 plus 10 is 60 rupees. So we can say here it is 60 rupees. Fine. So this is rupees 60. Now the question is, what is the investment that he had done? 18,000. What is the market price? 80 rupees. What is the number of shares? So we say number of shares into 80 rupees should give you investment amount, that is 18,000. So n here will be how much? We can calculate n. So n here will be 18,000 divided by 80. So 10 got cancelled here. So can we calculate the number of shares? Same way we can calculate here also. So it will be the n into, so we can write here n into what is the price? 60 rupees, right? 60 rupees, n number of shares, right? Here we can say n1, or here we can take n2. Their numbers are two different. Fine. So you can take it. So it will be what? N into 60 is equal to how much? Investment is how much? 18,000. Because both are different market values, so the number of shares will be different in it. And when we calculate that, what do we get? We get here N2 is equal to 18,000 upon 60. So it will give you 6 3s are 18 and 300 shares. He has bought 300 shares in it, and this guy has bought, we have to calculate this. So yes, it is, this will come as 225 shares, and this one will be how much? 300 shares. So Ashok has got 225 shares and Sandeep has got 300 shares. Now comes here that we have to find the dividend in it. So what is the dividend that Ashok will be getting? So dividend amount will be, dividend total amount in rupees will be equal to dividend percent upon, so we'll first find the dividend on one share. So dividend, what is the rate? 7.5%. 7.5% of what is the rate of one share? 100 rupees. So it will get the nominal price only. So 100. What is that equal to? This is for one price. How many shares that he has? He has got 225 shares. So if you multiply by 225, you will get the total dividend that he has. Okay, into 225. Now if you do the same thing here also, okay, we will get the dividend. And what is the dividend here? We have to find the rate of interest, rate of dividend here. We do not know the rate of dividend. So say it is X%. So X% of what? The nominal value, right, of one share, and you multiply that with the total number of shares, right, number of shares. So what will that be? So if I do that, see what will happen in it. So let's calculate. So I find that here this will be X percent means X upon 100 into nominal value is how much? Nominal value is 50 rupees, remember. So 50, this is for one share, and how many shares he has? 300. So into 300, this is the total dividend that he will receive. This is the dividend he has received, and the dividend received over here will be how much? You can calculate this further. This 100 will get cancelled here, so we get, so dividend here will be is equal to 7.5 into 225. Right, now they say that in the question that the dividends are equal, both the dividends are equal. Say if both receives equal dividend at the end of 1 year, the rate of dividend has to be found out. So if the dividends are equal, we have to find the rate of dividend for the other one. So what is the dividend here? So dividend 1 over here, say dividend 1, we can say 1, this is dividend 2 here. Fine, so they are equal. So we know that D1 is equal to D2 in it. So this is 7.5 into 225 is equal to what? X, it will get cancelled here, right? 2 times, and this will get cancelled, become 150, right? So it will become 150x. Fine, is that okay? Finally this will get cancelled, right? So 2 times, and this is, it will 150x here, right? So we can calculate that. So x here will be equal to 7.5 into 225 upon 150. So if you calculate here, if you multiply by 10 and multiply by 10 here, this 10 will make the decimal move here. So you will get 75 into 225 upon 150 into 10 here. So this will go 2 times. And if you cancel this, it will become how much? 2, 11 2s are 22, and this will be 2, 5, right? 112.5 divided by 10. So this is what you will get here as, that is 11.25%. So what is the dividend rate for the other guy? Sandeep, it is 11.25%, and this is the dividend rate. And this is the answer that we have for this question here.